Hello friends, welcome back to another video. We have met after a long time, yeah, because I was busy in some work, but now I am here only, so you can enjoy my experiments day to day. In today's video, I will show you a motor made from neodymium magnets and a battery. For this experiment, we need things like some neodymium magnets, battery, sticky note, a screw, and scissors. So let's start. First take a neodymium magnet and a screw. Stick the bottom of the base of the screw on the neodymium magnet. Now take a sticky note and take a scissors. Cut it into a small strip. Now cut it with here. Like this. Now stick at the bottom of the neodymium magnets. At the bottom of the pile of neodymium magnets. Okay. Now take a battery. Take the screw and stick it on the positive terminal of the battery. You can see that. Now take a wire. First connect on the negative terminal, and then touch it on the pile of neodymium magnets. You can see that the neodymium magnet is moving. It is very cool experiment, yeah. Thanks friends for watching my video, and if you are new with this channel, so don't forget to subscribe.